Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 22nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos from today, and the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So anyways, the pound eventually did make a pretty good push up at the 61% Fibonacci retracement on the daily time frame. I still kind of suspect that this is a wave 3, and I still don't even see any breaker structure to the upside that would actually tell me this wave 3 is over. So I mean, technically, you probably should technically still be looking for shorts. If it makes a lower high, 3 waves up, and golfing move to the downside, I would definitely continue to look for shorts. On the other hand, if it just keeps on maintaining momentum, starts breaking some significant structure levels, then at that point I would continue to look for longs, but I would have to see a pretty good break and hold above structure before I would become a buyer, and then I would have to wait for a pullback also before I did actually become a buyer, because this is a pretty strong downtrend on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions, and it gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.